our time to show our appreciation. Wait a minute. Veda, I've heard the rumors. Could it be true? Could it be true? Is he here? Where's my Pepsi?
Look in my eyes, what do you see? The
Oh my god, it's him! Veda!
I know you're
He's here in Revolver! It's JT Dunn!
Oh,
It's Phil
I thought for a
Stanford!
moment when I didn't see Phil immediately that perhaps he hadn't made the trip. Unfortunately,
Of course! Where there's the units, there's Phil Stanford.
Weighing in at 188 pounds from Providence, Rhode Island.